Good afternoon, students. Class 12th. Today's topic is guarantee of profit in fundamental of partnership. What is this? What is the topic? Guarantee of profit means it is a charge. It is not a appropriation. Guarantee means the partners are giving a guarantee to another partner. At least this much share you have to be get in profit. Understood? So one example we will take. ABC are partner. A and C give guarantee to B to 26,000 profit for the year ended. Total profit is given 60,000 of the firm. A and C has given guarantee. Understood, beta? So in that case, A and C will guarantee to B 26,000 he will get. So minimum B will get 26,000 from the profit. Understood? So first we distribute that profit in their ratio 3:1, 60,000, 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. First we distribute that profit in that. Then we see that B is getting 20,000, but B has guarantee to get 26,000. Matlab B is taking 6,000 less. So A and C will give from their shares. Understood? So in which ratio? A and C will give in their ratio 3:1. Understood? In 3:1 ratio they will get, and that share B will add in B's. So now the share will be 25,500, 26,000 and 8,500. Understood, beta? So in this question B has guarantee to get 26,000 and A and C will fulfill that guarantee. Now the appropriation is over. We total the appropriation 60,000, 60,000 and we distribute the profit also. Understood? So in that case remaining partner has given the guarantee. So now we take another question. A, B, C are partner. Same question. A has given guarantee to B 23,000 and 23,000. A has given personally guarantee. Understood? So A and C are not giving. A has given personally guarantee to B. Clear? 23,000. So the first we distribute the profit in their ratio. Same as the previous question, 30,000, 20,000, 10,000, and after that we will see how much profit B is getting. 20,000 he is getting. So remaining 3,000 A has personally guaranteed. That's why we deduct from A 3,000 and we add that 3,000 in B. Understood? Now B will get 23,000 as guaranteed by A. 27,000 is the A's profit, 23 is B, and 10,000 is C's profit. Now 60,000 the total of sum. Understood, beta? Because in this question A has personally guaranteed to B, so he will get 23,000. If B will not get 23,000, so A personally meet that guarantee and fulfill the amount. Understood? Now the another question. A and C is given guarantee of B 40,000. Understood? 40,000 guarantees they have given. Clear? But the profit is 40,000 and 40,000 they had given. A and C guarantee to B 40,000 and profit is also available 40,000. In this case, 30,000 is profit available and 40,000 they have given the guarantee. So in this case 10,000 is loss. So guarantee of profit is a charge. In loss, if loss is there, in that condition also you have to pay the full amount. So the 10,000 they fulfill by the loss. Understood? So this time they will. So another question. A and B the guarantee of B 30,000 and loss is there. Profit is not available in the firm. Loss is there in the firm. Loss is there, but in loss condition also they can give the guarantee. But guarantee they have given earlier. Understood? Now the firm has earned loss. The firm has not earned anything. The firm has occurred the loss. In that condition also they will give guarantee of profit, or they should give guarantee to the partners. Understood? And in that condition they should pay to the partner. Okay? the guaranteed amount. So guaranteed amount is 30,000, loss was 20,000, and 30,000 is the profit of B. So we will not make that profit and loss account, we will prepare profit and loss adjustment account. So loss is 20,000 there already, 30,000 is B's share, and now loss transfer 50,000, and that 50,000 distributed by A and C in their ratio. Thank you so much for watching the video.